Hi guys! Today I'd like to show you guys how to make your own kawaii cactus charm. Let's get started. Shall we start off with the body of the cactus? For this video, I am making a round chubby kawaii cactus. Once I get the body, I move on to face. Make eyes and then mouth. Whoops, loses focus. Now we've got the eyes. Hello cactus, nice to meet you. And now I'm giving my cactus pink cheeks. And ta-da! We are done with the face. Well, cactus can't be a cactus without its needles, is that right? I want to make it a little realistic, so I need to make some tiny holes for my needles to pop out of my cactus. And now we are giving our little cactus its needles. Well, for me, I think this step is the trickiest, as I want to make sure that all my needles stand up straight. I should have done it last actually. And yay, our cactus is done. Now, it's time to make a pot. I think my pot should be square, as my cactus is already round and chubby. What do you guys think? I want my cactus to be a little girly. I'm gonna give my pot a pink lip. If the rim is too long, you can just cut it and then blend two ends together. And now the pot is done. Yay! Ooh, I just remember that cactus lives on soil. I have to give my cactus her soil then. Now we just blend the soil to the pot. Whoops, look like I'm a little stingy with the soil. Now we have to put our cactus to the pot. We have to be super careful not to ruin the needles. I should really have done the needles last. And now I'm making a cactus flower. I put a petal on my cactus at a time and finish it all off with a round pollen. Oopsie, please don't fall. My pollen is a little lighter than the petals, just to give the flowers a little contrast. And yay! Our kawaii cactus is done! Yippee! Can you see the needles poking out of the cactus? To make a charm, I just have to put a hook on top of the cactus. Mission accomplished. Now we have our own kawaii cactus charm. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys. This is my first video and I know it's not perfect, but I hope you guys enjoy it more or less. Bye for now.